Hey, what's happening? Hi y'all, it's Christina and welcome back to my channel. And for everyone who is new here, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel and welcome to the YouTube family. So in this video, you all, I am going to be doing a wash and go for the first time since I clarified my hair. I let you all know a couple of weeks ago that I was having problems with my hair and I felt like it was product buildup. So I did my clarifying treatment and all of that good stuff. If you hadn't seen those videos, I'll link them up above. And so now I'm going to be trying a wash and go for the first time since doing that. And I am a little scared. I don't know why, because I got my hair clean, but I'm still a little nervous. But anyways, we're going to jump right on into this video. So if you're interested in seeing how this wash and go turns out, then keep watching because I'm going to get started right now. My hair has been shampooed and deep conditioned. And you guys, I'm going to show you right quick what I used this time. I used Shea moisture, but I can't say it, something, and tea tree oils, low porosity protein free shampoo. Now my purpose for using this one during this wash day was because this is actually a clarifying shampoo and I am trying to make sure I don't have a whole bunch of product buildup on my hair anymore in between my clay mask that I will do at the end of every month. So this right here is actually a clarifying shampoo and it says it on the back. So that's why I use this one to clarify my hair, because it has been, I think, a couple of weeks since I did that. So I will use this, like, I'll do my mask at the end of the month, and then the second week wash day, if that's how you want to say it, then I would go in this with this right here. Now this right here did get my hair clean, y'all. I have to say it did strip my hair and my hair felt really squeaky clean, but not like make it feel like hay or straw or something like that. But I still went in with some moisturizing products behind it. For my deep conditioner, I went in with Shea Moisture's Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Treatment Mask, along with Shea Moisture's Raw Shea Butter Deep Treatment Mask. You know I like to mix these two together. So I did those, and then for my leave-in, which is what I have in now, I went in with my Miche leave-in. I love this stuff because it's very moisturizing. So I just wanted to make sure I used some moisturizing products after I got finished using that clarifying shampoo. Now that I got all of that out of the way, we're gonna get started with this wash and go. So my products that I'm going to be using for this wash and go is going to be Deva Curl Coconut Cream. Y'all know I like this stuff right here from when I used it the very first time. And the last time I used that, I used my blue Wetline Xtreme gel. This time I'm going to go in with my clear Wetline Xtreme gel. So we're just going to go ahead and get started. And I know I keep saying that and I ain't got started yet. Y'all going to click off this video, or either you're going to fast forward to the end, and you better not. Because I know. I know. I'm just going to do like I usually do. And I'm going to start back here in the back, putting my hair in half, and I'm going to go ahead and put the coconut cream on each section before I go in with my Wetline. And I'm not going to use a lot because the last time I used this, I told y'all this stuff actually has a pretty good hold to it, and it had my hair like crunchy. Alright, so now that I got it on that, I'm just going to make my sections about that big, and I'm going to go in with my Wetline Xtreme gel. And I got my Tangle Teaser, of course, want to make sure it is super detangled, and my water bottle filled with hot water because I like doing my wash and goes on wet hair, not damp hair. I just feel like it comes out better that way. That's just me. So I'm just going to go in with my clear Wetline gel, making sure I get my roots real good. And this time I'm going to try not to be heavy-handed, but I can't help it. I just feel like if I don't put enough product on my hair, it's not going to come out good. I don't know why. I've always been like that. Just some habits are hard to break. And of course, my favorite method, the raking method, and you're gonna rake it through. Alright, and that's that's what that section is looking like. Loving my curls, y'all. I missed my curls, but like I said, I've been a little scared to put gels back on my hair. Not because product buildup, but just because I'm scared of the outcome, and I'm hoping that that's what my problem was product buildup. But it's looking really good. So of course you have seen me do this quite a few times, so I'm not even going to show you all that. I'm just going to go ahead and finish the rest of my hair, and when I get done I will come back and show you what my not my dry results, I'll come back and show you my wet results before I go get up underneath the dryer. So I'll see you all in just a few moments. Do y'all see this smile? Do y'all see this big smile? Like big, I'm showing everything. Smile. Look at my hair, you guys. Like my curls are back popping. Like I am so happy. Yes, I got my curls back. So that goes to tell you that's exactly what it was product buildup. Like my hair looks good. I'm so happy. Yeah, I'm happy. I'm happy. I'm happy. Oh, okay. But yeah, so I am done now, and hair is looking good. Curls are coming through. Curls are popping. Yeah, I'm excited now. But this is what my hair looks like wet. So as you can see, you guys, we back in business. Like so that clay mask did an awesome job. So guys, if you are experiencing product buildup, your hair is not acting right like the way it used to, don't say it's your product, because it could just be you got a lot of product buildup on your hair, which is why your products might not be acting right. But anyways, I am going to go sit underneath the dryer and let this dry, and then once I get done with the dryer, I will come back and show you all my dry results, and that'll probably be the end of this video. But anyways, I'll see you all in just a little bit. Okay everybody, so I am back. My hair is like let's say about 98% dry, but I just wanted to come back right quick and show you all what my dry results are looking like. And you all, I don't have frizz besides my normal frizz, because doing the raking method, I'm still gonna get frizz because I'm not shingling each curl. So but that's my normal frizz. But yeah, this looks so much better. I am so happy. And I will definitely continue to do my Aztec clay mask. But this is what my dry results is looking like. So yeah, we are back in the game now. Back in the game. So of course I'm going to band this tonight before I go to bed, and then I will come back tomorrow and I will show you what it looks like stretched. But I have to say, this combo right here, you all, the Deva curl coconut curl elongator and my Wetline clear gel, I know my lights are bright, sorry, these two together is just as good as it was with the blue wash and go. It's just as good as it is when I used it with the blue Wetline gel. So it works really good with this too. Curls are nice and defined. They're soft but still have a hold to them. I do have some parts where it's a little crunchy. Those are the parts where I put in too much gel. But of course, once I band it, that's going to break the gel cast and soften up the curls even more. But I'll still have my hold that I love when it comes to my wash and goes. So that right there is a no fail wash and go combo. Yes, I'm getting ready to start me a series. I think I'm gonna call it no fail wash and go combo. Not sure yet, but if I do, this will definitely be in there. But that's all I have for tonight, you all. Like I said, I will come back tomorrow and after I take my bands down and show you what my hair is looking like. So I will see you all in the morning. Y'all have a wonderful, lovely night. Good morning, everyone. It is the next day because yesterday was Sunday. I didn't go anywhere, so I did not take my hair loose. So it's Monday morning, I gotta go to work. So I'm getting ready to take this loose right quick. And all I'm going to be using is my Miche oil. And we're gonna take this down right quick. Okay, y'all, I am done with the taking the bands out and fluffing, and yes, my curls are back. I'm so excited. But anyways, this is what it is looking like. So we are back and we are popping. So yes, like I said, having problems with your hair, try Aztec clay mask and strip it of everything and just start all over and just give your hair a refresh. But as far as the combo, just like when I used the coconut curling cream, Deva Curl coconut curling cream with the blue Wetline Xtreme gel, this time I used the clear gel. Same thing, the hold on this stuff is there. I had to literally kind of take my time and pull them apart, and I still didn't get all the big ones that clumped together real good. I still didn't get the big ones pulled apart. I'll mess with that throughout the day. So that is all I have for this video. I will try to come back and give day 3 and day 5 update, but I'm not sure if I'll be able to. But anyways, you know how I go. But that is all I have for this video. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. You already know what I'm gonna say next. If you don't like this video, you still better give it a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions or comments for me, leave them down below in the comment box. And I will see you all in my next upload. Thanks for watching, y'all. Bye.